Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to remove powered by WordPress theme spacious by theme grill. So each and every WordPress or theme, they have this, it's sort of advertisement, also something like alert to tell you that this theme was developed by who and designed by who, which is good anyway. Even if you can design your own theme, you would like to put the who did it and stuff like that. And also the WordPress powered by WordPress is also something which you want to show, which WordPress do put, because they want to people to know that WordPress is powerful and a lot of people use it. So now each and every theme has the way to move that whatever. Some people use they use CSS to do that, but at sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it works, not in all themes, but today we're working on spacious theme by theme grill. So we're going to remove that, and then we see how it's going to take us, how it's gonna be. That's the thing. Sometimes it's a frustration. You can look into folders and pages, and then you don't find a PHP page which can help you to remove that. Before, in old WordPress, you could be allowed to edit, but now you cannot edit a theme. You have to go to to your cPanel and change. So now, if also before, many people used to develop their themes and put that into the function page, or they could put it into the what they call the footer.php. but nowadays most of them they do really try to hide it so that it doesn't become something easy for you to remove. And also, the more delays you get, the more advertisement they get, you get me, and the more clicks they might get from visitors who visits your website. Okay, what you do, go to your cPanel, then go to your WordPress, then you say content, WP content, then you go to themes. After themes, select that specific theme which is called spacious. Spacious is spacious, as they say. Then you click there. You remember before they used to put it into footer.php, but I'm telling you here there's nothing, absolutely nothing, because I've been here. You can see there's nothing like powered by WordPress, whatever. So another trick to check any page, you just say Ctrl F, then you look for powered. There's nothing like this. Then you look for spacious. There's nothing like that. Spacious is there. Okay. Then you look for maybe WordPress. Then you can't find nothing. So if you can't find nothing, simply it means there's nothing also. So what you do, you can also go to you can cancel this. And also, another place they used to hide in case you're using another font, another theme, I'm trying to give you some tricks where these guys sometimes do hide their stuff. You click on functions, you open functions. When you're in functions, you try to scroll down, because this page is too big. It's difficult for you to browse, and you might miss it. Anyway, you double click on that and say find. So we have this 444. So if you can say go to one by one each line, because there's each line you say, okay, that I might not win, let me look for what they call powered by. You can't find that. Also, it's not something easy to find. Then we say WordPress, because those are the keywords we're looking for. WordPress. We have for WordPress. Then you click on next. What do we have? Those are comments. Next, that's a comment. Next, that's a comment. There are 4. So finish. So you can't find it. So now what do you do? So you can't do anything more than that. So those are the pages which I know of where people usually do hide stuff. You go there, you leave that, But in this theme we are going to find something simple. You're gonna go to a folder called ink. You can check all these folders if you can't. No, I'm not saying in this specific theme. On other themes they check it sometimes in any other theme here, like page templates. You can find it there sometimes. You look into the pages and check one by one, but now we're gonna find it now in ink. Here we in ink. How do you see that? Then you go to your what they call functions. You edit there. Once you edit, there's also functions in theme in that, so you can see now they put it in functions. So how do you find it? You can say control find, control F, which you say power. You can see, we can see already, we can see powered by. So you can see this copyright at, then whatever, then powered by. We can come there and take out that, and also take out by, and also take out spacious. Okay, once you're done with that, then you say theme. You take this theme out, then you take by out, and also you come and say spacious. You take it out. Okay, then can you see what they call WordPress? Yes, we can see WordPress. We refresh. We want to refresh this page, and we come here, we scroll down. You can see it's fine, but now there is something like this which is gonna come back here. But now there's something also we have to understand, that we did not delete what they call theme grill, and we did not delete what they call WordPress. So now in the same page where we are in functions, if you scroll up here, you can see the link to WordPress.org. You delete that, you leave those commas, then target title blank, then you can see spacious, you delete that, and also WordPress, you delete that, and also if you want to, you can take out WordPress here, and also this. You remember we're looking for also theme grill, so you can come here and delete that also, and delete also you come here and delete everything from here and say go done. And after that you take this one also off, and when you're deleting, you know what's gonna happen to you. Sometimes if you're not careful, you might find an error whereby you're gonna be in trouble to fix it. So anyway, it's easier to do. You save, but you do not close, because if you close, if you have an error, it's gonna be a problem. So then what you do, we refresh here and we go down. You can see this is gone, but we only still have these we have what they call the comma, there's some full stops and stuff like that. Then we want us to leave that. We can delete that anyway if you want to do so. Now you can see there are 3 full stops there, something like full stops there. You can go there and look for them. You can see this one, you saw that. Also you know, some full stops are concatenations and some full stops are full stops, you can see. So that's when you have to know this is a concatenation, you understand. So this is a concatenation. So now you don't just have to delete full stops, because you're gonna get a super error. So once you're done with that, then you're gonna see that, let's see if we deleted at least one, because there are 3 of them. Okay, let's go down, let's go down, down. We didn't delete even a single one, but anyway, those are not stress. That's not a stress. You can look into that and see if you can find one. I think I need to find something like, I should get it. span. Okay, if you look line by line, it's easier to find it. Go. Okay. You can go down. Okay, you can see these, ne? One, those two, and there was one behind it. So those ones, I'm sure we're done with that. Also, we can take out this one. Once we took out that, is fine. Then we can also take out this one, and once we're done with that, our problems might be gone forever. And you refresh here. After refreshing, then you can go down and check. You can see everything's gone. We only have what they call a link, which links back to our website, so there's no problem with that. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Please like and comment and also subscribe, we beg you, because that puts a lot of motivation in us to make more videos like this. So we can, whenever we find it, we know we do a couple of WordPress websites, and we do simple. I think whenever we find a theme, like a new theme to use, we do tutorials like this, because they have different ways of removing this text. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.